welcome to this explainer. Today, we are unpacking something that is just absolutely fascinating. We've got our hands on the exact blueprint a 17-year-old creator is using to aggressively grow and monetize YouTube Shorts channels in literally just 15 days. Let's dive right in, because the strategies we're going to uncover here, they completely flip traditional channel growth totally on its head. Just wrap your head around this staggering number for a second, 146 million. That represents the views just one of his channels generated in a mere 28 days. And the kicker? He's doing this using purely copy-pasted movie clips. No way, right? We're talking about tens of millions of views on brand new channels, all within weeks. But here is the absolute craziest part of this whole operation. The mastermind behind this massive network of highly profitable channels, it's a creator named Varun, and he's only 17 years old. Operating entirely alone, no giant team, he manages multiple channels that are pulling in hundreds of millions of views. His core philosophy really hits the nail on the head. He says, we don't need to work like a donkey, we need to fly like a rocket. It's all about smart work over hard work. He relies on a hyper-specific step-by-step strategy to outsmart the algorithm, completely bypass copyright strikes, and scale at lightning speed. So here's our agenda for this explainer. We're breaking down his exact chronological formula: smart channel creation, 4K HDR editing secrets, the HD upload trick, the golden upload timings, and finally, the monetization strategy. Starting off with step 1, smart channel creation, and what he calls the 24-hour rule. Believe it or not, the exact way you create your channel determines if your first video will hit 1 million views. The crucial point here is this specific 4-step progression. First up, you open Google Chrome in incognito mode and create a new Gmail account using your real name, not your channel name. Then, you do absolutely nothing. You wait exactly 24 hours. Once that clock strikes 24, you log in using the standard YouTube mobile app, set your channel category to entertainment, and this is super vital, guys. Do not verify your phone number or unlock advanced features yet. This whole progression prevents the algorithm from flagging the new account as a bot. You want to save that phone verification for only when you're finally ready to monetize. Okay, moving on to step 2, 4K HDR editing secrets and bypassing copyright. This right here is where the magic happens. We're talking about editing 59-second clips so perfectly that they bypass copyright systems while instantly hooking the viewer. It all starts in the InShot app. You import your raw clip and immediately boost the volume up to 200. Why? Because it makes the dialogue sound thick, punchy, and it instantly grabs attention. Next, increase the speed to 1.20x and aggressively chop out all silent dead audio gaps to keep the pacing totally relentless. Set your canvas ratio precisely to 3:7. Finally, tweak the visuals. Maximize that sharpen tool, bump the contrast to 7, saturation to 6, and shadows to 10. Export this base, at it at 1080p and 60 frames per second. Just by doing all of this, you're drastically altering the source material's fingerprint. But wait, we aren't done yet. Next, you turn on a VPN, open up CapCut, and search for the 4K HDR video effect. You've got to apply these strangely exact visual parameters across the entire clip. We're talking glow at 32, blur at 38, sharpen up to 42, range at 58, size to 27, soft light at 9, and filter exactly at 45. Now, this isn't just about making the video look crisp and cinematic, though it does do that. These exact metrics completely scramble the original file's metadata and visual fingerprint, basically blinding the automated copyright detection systems. And to add one final layer of armor, you use CapCut's key framing tool to insert a text watermark. Usually this is just your name, but you make it continuously move back and forth across the screen for the entire duration of the video. That constant motion on the visual plane, that's the ultimate trick to ensure the system can't block your video. It forces YouTube to treat it as entirely transformative content. All right, on to step 3. This is the HD upload trick, which is all about defeating the compression algorithm. So now that you've got this beautifully edited, copyright-proof 4K clip, you actually need to upload it. But here is the catch. Never, ever use the Create a Short button. If you do, the platform aggressively compresses your file, turning into a blurry mess the second it hits the feed. The algorithm tests new videos immediately, right? And if viewers swipe away because it looks blurry, your video is dead on arrival. Instead, you must always choose Upload a Video. Doing it this way preserves that crisp 4K HDR quality you just spent so much time crafting, and it forces a high-quality delivery straight into the Shorts feed. Once you click Upload a Video and pick your clip, there's a brilliant little loophole you need to exploit. Tap Add Sound and select the official trending song from the specific movie your clip is from. But here is the genius part. You pull the volume of that added sound all the way down to 0, and you push your original heavy edited video volume up to 100. By doing this, you trick the system into cataloging your video under the official, highly searched audio track, but the viewer only actually hears the punchy dialogue you crafted. It's so smart. Now let's dive into step 4, the golden upload timings. This is literally hacking the algorithm. With your video uploaded in pristine HD, the exact minute you hit publish determines how aggressively the algorithm pushes your content. And the schedule here is incredibly strict. On day 1 of your new channel, you post a single video at exactly 7:06 a.m. But from day 2 through day 10, you must relentlessly follow this 3 times a day schedule: 7:06 a.m., 9:06 a.m., and 5:06 p.m. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, why not just post on the hour, like 7 a.m. or 5 p.m.? Why exactly at the 6-minute mark? Well, according to the creator's extensive trial and error, upload traffic totally plummets at the 6-minute mark. Think about it. Millions of creators schedule their videos to go live right on the hour or the half hour. So by publishing at exactly 6 minutes past the hour, the volume of competing videos drops significantly. This gives your newly uploaded clip an uncrowded, fast track to be tested in the Shorts feed, so it doesn't get buried under a giant mountain of simultaneous uploads. Finally, we arrive at step 5, the 15-day monetization strategy. So what's the actual end game here? Well, after 15 days of this highly aggressive posting, the channels explode in growth. By following this exact blueprint, Varun pulls in roughly 70 to 80,000 rupees a month. Once the channel meets the threshold, he finally verifies the phone number and turns on standard AdSense. But honestly, it goes way beyond that. Because of the massive reach, he secures direct brand sponsorships, simply placing their watermark logos on his videos. And finally, when a channel peaks, he sells these highly engaged properties to foreign buyers, often international casino brands. These guys pay a massive premium for the reach, regardless of whether the channel is currently monetized or not. It's just a remarkably efficient ecosystem of digital real estate. You now have the exact channel setup, the precise 4K HDR editing metrics, the clever audio loophole, and the 6-minute timing secret from a 17-year-old generating hundreds of millions of views. So the only question left to ask is, what is stopping you from starting your 15-day sprint today? Thanks so much for joining us on this explainer, and we'll see you next time.